Golden Moment is full of colorful designer papers from Penny Black. The pad is 6 inches by 6 inches. It's nice and thick here. I'm going to try to pick it up all at once. I've got some loose papers in on the bottom too. It does all come in one pad, but I have pulled some papers out. Nice and thick. It's all gummed at the top, so it's attached together. 48 single-sided acid-free papers, and there are 24 designs in here. So you're going to get 24 designs, and you're going to get 2 sheets of each one of these designs. So here's a nice sort of an orange weave there, some fun little birds. So lots of really colorful designer looks, and they are really going to mix and match easily. So really pretty and fun papers. And I like that they're 6 inch by 6 inch because you can cover a card with that, or you can do collage style, use more than one kind of paper to get some different looks. And you are going to get 2 sheets of each one of these designs, so you can do 2 cards of the same, or you can use 2 papers on a scrapbook page if you want to get kind of an interesting background, or you can use these to mat photos. They'd be really great for die cuts too, or you could cut a tag from this and then add a sentiment to it. So really pretty. They're going to go with a lot of different colors that you can see in here, nice bright colors. And they are single-sided, but like I said, they're acid-free, and that's why I say they would be great on a scrapbook page too. So really fun designs. I think we're getting just to the end of the new designs. I think we've seen one of everything there. Yep, now we're going to get some duplicated designs. So let me show you just one project that's been created with this. So here's a really cute little card with these fun dazzles, and all of the dazzles were backed with different kinds of papers from this kit. So you're seeing these greens and blues and pinks and oranges in that background piece too, all from the one pad of paper. It's 6 inch by 6 inches, 48 sheets, and it's called Golden Moment.